Welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a simple bottom navigation bar using auto route package in Flutter. There are going to be three sections in this bottom navigation bar: home, song, and setting. You can find the starter code to follow along in the description below. You can use the starter code and follow along the tutorial. Here in the starter code, you can find all of the required screen to follow along this tutorial. All of the route for the required screen are already generated. We will continue using same screens in the next tutorial when we implement nested navigation using auto route in Flutter. So stay tuned. We will start by editing our main underscore screen file. We will add auto tab router widget, which will contain list of routes to be included in the bottom navigation bar. Let's add the routes here. After adding the routes, we will actually need to create the icons and labels for the bottom navigation bar. For that, we are going to add builder property for auto tab router widget. This will return a scaffold, and the body for scaffold will be the child which we get from the builder property. Now let's add about bottom navigation bar. Bottom navigation bar widget will contain items parameter, which will contain the list of bottom navigation bar items where we will place our icons and labels. Let's add three bottom navigation bar item for home, songs, and setting section. Now let's add on tab property for bottom navigation bar to actually change the section when the bottom navigation bar item is tabbed. Auto route has auto tabs router, which contains necessary parameters and function to implement a bottom navigation bar. Let's create a tab router variable. We can get the nearest auto tabs router using auto tabs router of context. To change the section of bottom navigation bar, we can use tabs router.set active index and pass desired active index for the bottom navigation bar. We will pass value provided by onTab to set the active tab index. We will also add a current index property. After this, we need to update our app_router file. Since we have added bottom navigation bar for main_screen file, so we will add main route here and make it our initial route, and all of the other routes will be child for main route. All of the routes we placed inside the routes property of auto tabs router should be child of main route. Now we have a functioning bottom navigation bar. You can see we can change the section of bottom navigation bar by tapping on the bottom navigation bar icon. Our next video will be on nested navigation using auto route package of Flutter. So subscribe so you will not miss the video.